Have you ever heard a noise that no one else can? For the residents of Taos, New Mexico, this is a daily reality. Imagine a constant, low-frequency hum, almost like a massive diesel engine running somewhere far off in the distance. This sound, known as the Taos hum, has baffled residents and scientists for decades. What's truly strange is that only a small percentage of people can actually hear it, and microphones struggle to pick it up at all. Researchers have explored every possibility. They've checked for secret military bases, tested for unusual geological activity, and even scanned for electromagnetic anomalies. Yet, every investigation has come up empty-handed. The source remains a complete mystery. Is it a trick of the mind, a unique geological phenomenon, or something else entirely? To this day, the Taos hum is one of the world's most fascinating and unsolved acoustic puzzles. What do you think is making that sound? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more mysteries.